Greetings, I'm Emrata. Today, Binance were listed two new coin, and I want to show you how you get these coins with 20% discount commission code. Now, this is our website, Cryptocurrency USA and Canada. In Canada, if you want to trade with cryptocurrencies with 20% discount code on Binance Global, you should use this code. You can click and open account for yourself. Now today I want to show you what is Wax coin and how to buy Wax coin on Binance Global. Yes, there is our article. You can get all information about this money step by step. You see already. Now firstly we need Binance account. With 20% commission kickback code, we need to click this banner. Yes, we clicked. There is account creation, create Binance account page. You can add your information and please add your code in here. You must see this 20% commission kickback rate. If you can't see this, you must add this code in here. In this way, you can use this commission discount. Now click create account. Now we are in Binance. Don't forget you should do KYC. And now, how we can buy Wax coin? Firstly, we choose our currency. What is our currency? USD. Now we need to choose deposit money style. We can click credit and debit card. You can choose BNB, but I want to show you with Tether. Yes, 2000 USD we can buy this Tether. Okay, you click continue, add your debit card numbers and continue, click again. Now how to buy Wax coin? We need to click markets. Yes, now we are in market. On the stage we need to write this. Yes, Wax. If you have BNB, you can trade with BNB. Click fiat and find USDT page. Yes, this is Wax coin trade page. Sellers, buyers. Now we have 2000 USDT. Okay, we select this price. Yes, with this price, when we click buy, we can buy this number Wax. Okay, and when we want to sell, we can click this, select a price and this, and click sell. Everything's so easy. Yes. If you need information about best cryptocurrencies, you can visit our website and you can read roadmaps and details about all cryptocurrencies. See you next time in another video. Emrata. Wish you a good day.